And pause the music. Alright, there we go. YouTube should be good now. Should be good now. Should be good now. Chat, what up, man? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Alright, for real. Today, chat. Today's a very important day today. You got core, PPI, and you got PPI, and you got unemployment claims all at 8:30 today. So there probably won't be any trades until 8:30 here. But I think, yeah, that's about it. That's all you really got today, man. So you're just should be a pretty chill day. You got nothing at 10 too, so nothing should throw price off. Should get some pretty early moves here. Let me just take a look. Let me hop on the screen here. The screens for you guys. Let me just see something. Wow, we actually came up again. Man, all-time highs today, chat. Yeah, we should run a poll, huh? All-time highs, yes or no today? What do you guys think? All-time highs, yes or no today? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Just run a prediction. You guys don't hear that, right? Nah, you guys don't hear that. Alright. Is YouTube live? YouTube is live, right? Someone confirm real quick before I continue. Yes? Okay. No. Not live on YouTube. My screen froze? Nah. Wait. Now you're live? Okay, cool. That's cool. Oh my god, I gotta log in again, bro. Hold on. I'm like, why does it look like this? Why do I gotta log in again? Oh man. What's my username here? What's all this shit though? Why does it look like this? Grid line. Who uses grids here? What is this? Volume? Take that out. Okay. Alright, we should be good now. That looks about right? Am I missing anything? That looks good, right, chat? Okay. Let me send my Zoom link. So what are you guys saying today, though? Oh shit, hold on. Let me just real quick, in case I leak anything. Alright, no, we're good. No delay. Alumni. Alright. So So chat. Today is, what day is it today? Thursday or Friday? Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday, because Drake drops tonight. Okay. So today is Thursday. We're off to a great start to the week. We're off to a great start for the month. We're off to a great start to the account. Second last day of the week. And the markets look like this. So the markets look pretty good. It's volatile, you know? Yesterday, you actually ended up closing bullish. Today, you're making the move up. You're driving up right now. So everything looks pretty clean. Everything looks pretty clean. I would say the last couple hours have been trash. It's been pretty rangy between like 19 and 11. So we'll probably just hold out. Let me see. Let me do a quick analysis here before we have 8:30 here. So 1 hour just closed there. How did it close? Yeah, you guys see this here? You see how we're like in this box here? It hasn't been moving. There's been like no volume, right? So when there's no volume, or when there's no like direction, sorry, you want to wait for liquidity next, right? Because that will identify where you're headed towards next. So either if you continue up, you're gonna need to see a bottom wick first, which means that you're gonna need to see, like, this is a need, right? This isn't like a might, it might do this, it might not. It's gonna happen. It's just which one is it gonna tap first. So 1912, or is it gonna tap these levels first? Because you need, for us to continue up, you need a bottom wick first to continue up. And when you go down, same shit. You need a top wick to continue down. And where's the top wick area? In this box here. So it's either gonna be this pink box up here, or this pink box down here first. It doesn't matter where it goes first. We'll see where it goes first. But let's say it goes down. If this truly was to be continuation down today, you'll need to see something like this first. Minimum to tap into the purple box. And that's a guarantee. That's just something that the market always does. It needs to grab liquidity, which is aka your higher lows, your higher highs, depending if you're looking for buys or sells, before continuing in the next direction. So right now you have nothing, right? But you are pushing down first. So let's see if you can actually come down and tap this this purple box here. But any break of these lows would be amazing, because then you would, if you do flip bullish, right, like this, what will happen on a small time frame is this will happen. So you see how you've been moving up all morning, right? And then you rejected, and you came up again, rejected. So what is that? So the move for us to continue, I'll say down, when you need to see something like this first. Or sorry, to continue up, you need to see something like this first. So you've been pushing down here. All right, you've been pushing down here, right? So if you were to like actually come back into the ranges like this, then that's the indication that you're going back up, right? But it would just be a fake out. A fake out form while this candle is being formed the higher time frame. So this could be the 1 hour, and this could be the 5, 15, 30 that's being formed, right? But both of that go hand in hand. That's gonna basically move together, right? It's just a different way of viewing it when you look at different time frames, because obviously this candle on a small time frame equals more candles, right? So you're gonna see more structure. But in other words, what is this? A fake out, right? Slash what? A higher low being printed, right? This is your first low over here. This is your higher high, higher low, higher high. You make a low here, you're not really breaking these lows there. You're still respecting it. It's a higher low for us to continue up. So what you can wait for is, you can wait for one, either a wick entry in these areas here, or two, you can wait for a closure back into the range like this. And once you get that closure back into the range, that's your buys up. And even if you don't get a wick entry, because the wick entry will give you like a, oh my god, that's an 8 pip range. Holy fuck. But even the range fill, if you don't grab the wick entry, you have the range fill, and that's like a 9 pip range to fill that range. This range here is a pretty massive range. It's a 100 pip range. So it's tradable. It's like there's no direction, but there's enough range for you to grab your positions for sure. Especially if you only grab 10 pips, right? So let me go ahead and mark this up here, but I have this level right here. So if I want to see a bottom wick, I would want to see something here being tapped first. That'll be nice. And then next level is like up here at like 29, 24. And then, yeah, this is what I got for now. So I'll mark this up as a range for now. We don't know where it's going first. It can still pop up first. We'll see. We do have news in about like 25 minutes here. So in 25 minutes, after news, again, if you have news and news brings in the volume for you to grab your positions, right? You're gonna wait for that bottom wick or that top wick during news. So let's say news comes out, first thing this thing does is it pops down. Oh man, amazing. That's a blessing, right? You come down, tap it first, You're not looking for buys yet, but you know for a fact that if you were to flip bullish after news comes out, what are you doing? Buys up. And that's a pretty straightforward position. That's like again, a 60 pip range to tap that next resistance up at 29.24, right? So news can do our thing. It can come up, news can literally come up and spike up first for all I know. It can do this. It can open up. First thing it does is pop up. Amazing. That's fine, right? If it pops up, and I'm gonna repeat this when news comes closer, but like let's say it pops up, it pulls back like this. So it goes from looking like, let's say this, opens up, boom, pulls back. As it re-breaks its high after news, what are we doing? Buy stops. Because whenever you re-break the highs or lows during news, what are you looking for? Re-breaking the highs or lows. And then where you head up towards next? These areas up here. Right? So again, I think it's a pretty straightforward day today. Because one, you haven't moved during pre-NY yet. You're still in the range. So once you get to the top and bottom wicks, straightforward direction. Like you know where it's going now. And it's good. Make sense? So that's all I'll say about today. Just wait for news to come out. Once news comes out, you have direction. You're looking for your range to range trade. And then after that, you're chilling. If we get nothing during news, after news, if we get nothing by like 10:45 or 8:45, then we'll wait for the 4-hour closure. Simple. Yo, Smike, where were you yesterday, bro? You said you're gonna show up every day, Smike, and I did not see you yesterday. Smike. You're like, I'm gonna be your #1 student, Don. Didn't see you yesterday. You were here? I don't recall, man. I don't recall, Smike. I don't recall. Was it you, Smike, or someone else then? Chat, who was it? Nah, it was someone else then. It gotta be someone else then, because if you're here since 2019, it's not you. Who the fuck was it? Someone said, yo, I just found your streams. I'm gonna be tuning in every day. You can count me on that. Never mind. Might not be Smike then. I swear it was Smike though. You're a long-time student? Okay, never mind. It's not you. I don't know who the fuck it was then. I have no idea. But it was somebody. It was somebody from the chat. Ban him. What up, hidden user? But chat, pretty straightforward day, man. Pretty straightforward day. Let me just... Do I need to add anything else on text? You guys want to see anything else here? Any more questions regarding the analysis, or that's it? That should be it, right? You don't know who your students are? Hey, man, they're not my students. They're my friends. I don't got students. I don't have students. It was smooth? Oh, someone else. That's crazy. Smooth ZH. Did you really twerk on stream, bro? Who made this rumor up that I was twerking on stream, bro? You buy my course, only 15K for the basics? Word. But there's a wait list right now, so you gotta join the wait list first. That trade you're looking for, can you foresee that time frame that entry will be on? 1 minute time frame. After news. 8:31 trades. 8:31 trades. Oh, let me remove the fucking sub count. Wait said to move this. Sub count. Actually 108. Yo, does the sub command work? Oh, I don't have that on. Anyway, where should I move this? Move it there. That's cool. Oh yeah, journal. Yeah, there's a journal command now. That stuff works too. Morning, Scotty. Scotty 001, 0001. Leave it where it was. I can't because the clips get cut off. Ways I can move it. I don't know where else to put it. Trace taken. Delete trace taken. Scuba diving. Morning, fam. Bro, you're blessed. You ain't in Toronto no more. Delete trace taken. Whatever. Height. What else I got? What? Because you said it, he's not gonna do it. Do a poll. What was the poll I said earlier today, chat? All-time highs there or no? When does the vlog pop off? The vlog? The vlog? I posted the snippet on my IG. The vlog comes out. When does it come out? Friday? Tomorrow? Tomorrow after stream, I think. It's done. Preview looked fire. Yeah, the vlog comes out Friday. Not gonna lie, I started a rumor it's working, but I manifest that will happen one day. 100 gifted. I actually gotta stop saying 100 gifted because I'm not gonna do it for 100 gifted, bro. Yo, Levi. Yo, where's Levi been? Delete bias from yesterday, you must have forgotten. Yeah, I got short-term memory loss, bro. When Trump speaking today, you know, short-term memory loss is actually a good thing for trading. Because you can move on easily. Overnight. Yo, what up? What up? Dev from TT, what's up? Levi only shows it for the game insurance, for real. "17 minutes. 17 minutes, chat. Yo, Richie. Yo, where were you yesterday, Richie? I swear you and Levi are on the same account. Or you run the same account as Levi. No, I'll tell you for real, but have you ever tried roasted bugs or something? What was that? Roasted bugs. What was that? Bro, sleep is important. I don't know how you do this shit with like 5 hours of sleep. How you know I slept for 5 hours last night? I slept for less, I think. I slept a little later last night, but it was the most sleep I've had in like 4 days. I slept for like 4 hours, I think. Whatever, roasted bugs, bro. How'd you build your discipline and consistency down? Experience. Doing the same shit over and over again. Fall into the same trap until you get sick of yourself. There's no magic to it, right? Like training, there's no magic to it. There's no special like formula. There's no holy grail. Anyone can be disciplined. Anyone can be consistent. But you gotta take the right actions to do so, which is just showing up every day. Yeah, just show up. The more you show up, the more consistent you'll be through time. I had to go to the hospital because you fucked up my hearing up with your FL Studio sessions. Just for that, man. I'll send you right back. Maybe not today. One day I'm gonna get it, man. Meet before it's too late. Meet this shit till 8:30. That's crazy, Amir. Wow, Amir. Yo, Super Wong TV with the tier 1. Thank you, Super Wong TV with tier 1. That's our 109th sub. Super Wong with the super tier 1. Thank you, Super Wong. I appreciate you, man. Mwah. Yo, 100 gifted. Yo, Penzo, I just took in what you asked me, bro. You're actually racist, bro. You're actually racist. Super racist. Ask me if I ever ate roasted bugs before. That's crazy. I just took in what you said, bro. I just took in what you said. Roasted bugs. Oh, Atif. Why sub? Because these few days having Trace of Dawn is totally W. Not gonna lie. We're only a month into the streaming year. We made so much progression though. So much progression so far. Starting to form a little Twitch community. Last time I gave you a sub, you're not. Wait. You're not subbed, are you? What does that mean? Gifted sub? Bro, you are a sub gifter. Someone gave you a sub, Penzo. You are a gifted sub. Oh, you gave a sub too? Okay. 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 And play Mario for 11 hours today. You need to get off, Mr. CJ. GG about to move. Never mind. It's not about to move yet. Bottom wick to 190. Oh, there is it. 191.596. You guys ever watch that movie? What's that movie? It's something about cooking worms? Is it fried worms? What's it called? Fried worms. How to eat fried worms. You ever watch that? Sounds like one of your old homemade videos. Yo, you guys ever watch what's that movie called? Alfalfa? Who's that character in the movie? Ooh, comics open here, chat. You might have volume here. Yesterday when you had the comics open, you pushed like 100 pips. Pre news. Yo, Penzo, sub for 1 month at tier 1. Yeah, I was trolling, bro. You didn't have to sub, but appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Tier 1. Wenzel in the chat. Little Rascals. Yeah, that was the movie. Little Rascals. Little Rascals. Going 1 hour time from here. Yeah, you have so much volume here. Comics, back-to-back days of comics open. This is comics, right, chat? If there was news, I don't know if I would have entered, but like I would have at least been hunting at least, right? But you have news here, so I can't really do much here. You have 9 minutes to news, but I'm trying to see if there's another resistance you have here. 19. Oh no, man. You got a bit more room than that, I feel like. $19's over here. Let's push this up a little bit. What else you got over here? Yeah, that's not bad. 19, 29, 23. Okay. Cool. Forecast cam of a smooch is crazy. Something is cooking. Hopefully. I mean, it looks like it looks like a pretty straightforward day. It looks pretty straightforward today, man. Did I miss a trade? Oh shit, trade's taken. I must have forgotten. Yo, chat, why didn't you guys remind me earlier of the trade taken? My bad. Hopefully BB doesn't crash again. I know. I'm gonna send them a Kanye text if they do. Don't worry. I still remember you calling out GJ to retrace all the way down to 188 when it was trading around 203. I don't recall, but I'm convinced I did do so, yeah. 188, right? Yeah. Where was I going off of the monthly? Yeah, the monthly. Wow, that was way back. Yeah, wow, what a move, huh? Trades taken, 2,600 pips. Diogo. The Diogo from the YouTube side, right? Chat has been telling you to delete the trades taken. I didn't see anything. Nah, BB only targets CPI and NFP. Yeah, today's core PPI. I don't think they're gonna do anything today. You can call me Diego. It's Diogo. Have I not been saying Diogo? Diogo. Asfan, thanks for the follow, bro. Asfan 777. I got for once. I've dropped the ball. After Jackie Chan, damn, that's racist, bro. Four minutes. Get ready, guys. If you guys missed my analysis from the morning, I would say rewind, but you can't. Actually, you could rewind it, or if someone clipped it. Basically, you want to just see either a tap to 29, 20. Let me just redo it here, okay? So today is pretty straightforward because you're in this range here, and when you're in a range, it just means that you don't have direction set for the next push yet. Whenever you are in a range, you look for two things, or one thing basically. You look to see where you'll grab liquidity at. The first level of liquidity is up here, 29.24, or down here, 29.09. It doesn't matter where it taps first, to be honest, because the tap first would lead to the next move. Meaning that usually, I'll say 70% of the time, whenever you move down first after a range, it will likely be a fake out to go the opposite way. Whenever you move up first after a range, it will likely go down the other way, right? That's like 70% of the time. That's not enough for you to take trades yet, though. That's not enough for that's not enough probability, right? You need a much higher percentage than that. So how do you identify that, right? What do you do to identify whether you're gonna continue down or you're gonna fake out? So you have news. Whenever you have news, you re-break the highs, you re-break the lows for news, you tend to drive in that direction, right? So if news comes out today, and the first thing it does is spike down first, like this, amazing. Two things you can do. Have a buy stop on the flip, because if this kind of were to flip bullish after coming down for a bottom wick, where's it gonna go? Fill the range up, tapping into 29.20 afterwards, right? That's your position. The buy stops. Two, if news comes out, pushes down, like this, boom. You retrace. If you retrace like this, and then you start re-breaking the lows again after the retracement, but you don't flip. Right? You don't flip. You retrace and you re-break the lows like this. What's happening on the smaller time frame? You're doing this. Boom, boom, because that's the retracement after news on like the second chart or the minute chart. That's literally what you're printing. As you re-break the lows, you're expecting a further drive down. So if you re-break that low, then that's your continuation down. You can say, okay, cool. There's no fake out. You're going to continue down post news with the re-break of lows, and that's the move we can look for. Same thing for the buys, right? If news comes out first, and the first thing it does is it pushes up like this, it taps 29.24 because that's the minimum requirement. It taps that zone, and then what happens afterwards? It rejects like this, right? It rejects. We're gonna have a sell stop because now what are we expecting? Us to continue down towards these levels here, 29.04, 29.08 areas, right? So we can take sells on the flip. Now, what if you do something like this? News comes out. First thing it does is it pops up, like so. Pops up, pulls back. It re-breaks the highs. What are you taking? the buys. Why? Because what happens is this, that you pull back, you re-break the highs, where are you going to afterwards? Up here, right? So there's a lot of ways to play the news today, but those are the 4 main ideas I have here for buys and for sells here. Okay, chat? So if you guys missed the analysis in the morning, that's basically what I said earlier today, and that's what we're looking for. So yeah, we could get trades here literally at 8:31 in about a minute here. Okay, 8:31, 8:32, you can get some trades here. Cool. How big does the retracement need to be? It's not about how big, it's what we're a tap. So I want to see a tap to 29.09 or 29.23 first, and then as long as the candles don't flip afterwards. But we'll see here. We'll see. What time is it? Ooh, 8:30. Okay, cool. What happened here? Take a look. The minute candle opened up. Pushed up first. 4 pip pushed up. Can't do much here. It's still stuck in this range here. Right? So nothing really changed here. Wait a little bit for volume to come in. You do have 3 folders here, so that may affect it. Okay, you're re-breaking the lows now. Nice. I had no plans to take those positions, right? So we're not interested. Here's the thing now. Look where you tapped. If you re-break these highs for chat, if you re-break the highs at 29.16, where are you going to now? 29.19, and that's your position. 29.19 or 29.18, right? Not a guaranteed push, but a very high probable push. If you re-break the highs at 29.16.74. If you don't, then great. You have more sells down. Where's your next support though, right? So I have my support here at like what level here? I got my next level down here at like 29.06. That's the next support that I got. I would assume at that area, you will get some type of reaction. 29.05, 853. I'm not looking for sells coming down yet. But look, he tapped the minimum requirement. So now if the 1 hour flips bullish, amazing, right? So the re-break of the highs, if the 1 hour flips bullish, chat, where's it gonna go today? Probably towards 29.23. So you can literally target that area if this 1 hour count does flip bullish. But your entry will be the 30-minute re-break of the highs. Because why? That's the re-break of the highs for news. So whenever you re-break the highs or re-break the lows for news, you tend to drop in that direction. So you have an extra 10, 13 pips that you can grab. And your stops could be the current 1 hour low that it just printed. If you flip. Keyword, if you flip, okay? Penzo, I'm gonna need 100 gifted. 100 gifted. Ugh. This came out negative. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it came out. Hold on, let's see. So neutral, which is technically good. Good numbers. And actual less is good. Good. It came out all good numbers for $1, which means that technically gold should go down. Chat, you want to break the highest here. Get ready. Can I have a buy stop here, chat? Buy stops in the re-break of the highs, okay? You're looking for that 1 hour flip. So by the time you come up and tap 29.18.17, you're risk free if you get activated here. So look, lock it in closely. The re-break of the highs. And this is good that you're pulling back too, because if you re-break the highs, you get a pop. This is like a pullback, right? So you need to break these highs first for execute, because if you don't break the highs, any given point, they can just dip back down. So the break of the highs here gives you like 14 pips. That's a level where you can take advantage of price. And then if you want to be more aggressive, you can leave TPs towards like 29.20. 29.20 to 29.23. Which is just going to be the next range fill. Chat, activated here. Gone to bias here, okay? Activated. Entries was 29.17.00. Can we tap 29.18? Should get like 13 and before you go risk free. And then stop loss chat will be the lows here. This is stop loss, 89 pips. All right. What's this pop here? 7 pips. Can you re-break again? Stops it here because if this thing were to re-break the lows, you're gonna fly further down. So there's no need to have a stop bigger than that. But looking at this, you made a bottom wick first, right? So I wouldn't assume you're gonna continue down here. This should just continue up. What was this pop here? This was 7 pips. 6 pips of spreads maybe. 5 closed bullish here. So in this case here, chat, 5 closing bullish, you do want to see a flip after a bottom wick. Once you have the flip, you have a wick fill. I won't be looking for second positions just yet though. I'll let you guys know when I do, if I do. There's a level right here at 29.12, 29.11 that we can pay attention to. If you tap that level and then you flip, we can have a second buy stop here probably on the flip of the 5. How close were you to flipping on 30? On the 1 hour, you were maybe, did it flip? Was that the flip? Yeah, that was the flip. That was the 1 hour flip. 1 hour did flip, right? It didn't break the highs though, but it did flip. Look, so now you're coming down, you're pulling back here. This is important because there's a level here at 29.12 here, chat. You need to flip bullish on the 5 here. If you flip bullish on the 5 here, I'll take a buy stop again. That buy stop will be right here at 29.15.02. So that's my second buy stop here. But you obviously need a flip within the same 5 candle. You want to see something like this being formed. I'm not a fan of this though. You almost flipped. You're breaking the lows there. My stop loss is still here at the break of the 1 hour lows, but if we close below like 29.10, we can look for ways to manage. Because 1 hour can still flip, right? That's still your idea behind a trade. Four pip difference. Let's see what happens here. Again, and got BE tap. Damn, you got BE. I was expecting a much stronger push since the 1 hour is flipping. I was expecting like at least a pop for like 34 pips there. I wasn't BE at all. I think BE was like 18 levels. Look at 30 though. 30 re-flip and bearish now. This is an important level. You have to respect this level for us to continue. What time is it? 8:37. So you have 3 minutes left for a 5 closure. Ideally, you want to see this 5 flip before 8:40 here. Cam froze? Oh no. My bad. You flip or close bullish above, either a flip or a 1 minute closure above these ranges here, because you are starting to form something here. Very minor, it's a 1 minute, but a closure above here will indicate some type of move back up. Can we get a pop? Can we get a pop? Okay, 1 minute close bullish. That's something. Nothing crazy. 50 pip drawdown was max so far. 56 pips. A minute for a 5 closure here, chat. And then the next thing you have is the 15 closure, which is this candle here, which is what you do want to see bullish if the 5 doesn't close bullish. And if the 15 closes bearish, you can manage. And did anyone have an entry higher than mine on the 1 hour flip instead? Five closed bearish respecting. Chat, I'm gonna delete this buy stop here, the second position here, because we might have a different buy stop if depends on how far this candle retraces, but let's say it comes down towards like 10, it doesn't hit stops and it flips bullish here, we can look for buy stops here instead. But you want to see probably some type of reaction here at 29.10 levels. The only thing that doesn't look good here is the 30. So the 30 re-broke the highs, and now it's starting to create structure down, right? Which is not a good sign. Buy. Now I want to see if this spot can flip here, because I don't know if it's gonna flip. This thing could just re-break the lows, and the 30 can just re-break the lows too, which is our stop, right? So it's a little tougher now. You want to see you can start closing back above these ranges here, above here, above like 13 levels. But everything we had today so far was like what we planned for. News came out. We said you want to see a tap to 29.08 first, and then you want to see the reflip, and it was just a 1 hour flip, 30-minute flip that we took. Because even if we waited for the flip instead, we would have got activated in the flip and would have had no profit at all, right? So we had a better entry by waiting for the re-break of the highs. So that deal is there. And also your all-time highs too, right? But this is not good here. What's starting to happen? You want to see a break. Yeah, pop. This could still be a lower high. Don't get too excited yet, because this can be a lower high for us to rip down. If you do break these lows again, we might look to manage chat, because this is a pretty tough level right here. You want to see something close above here. I don't have any second positions yet. What do you have next? 15 closure. That's in 3 minutes. Let's go. Let's clear leg candle melt. I mean, yeah, the 1 hour had no bottom wick too. Or 30 had no bottom wick. Not yet. No positions yet. Still got one. What's on the 5 here? What's at this level here? Yeah, see, there's something here still. You want to see a break above there. Above 14.5. If the 15 closes here, and it prints a bottom wick first, what would that be? 29.11, that's where the bottom wick will be. Then you'll have to see something like this. $29.11, that's gonna be over here. Yeah, 15 closes right in a minute here, and then you get a bottom wick. This is how it'll look on the small time frame, but this 15 needs to close bullish first. There's gonna sell off. This is the thing. If it doesn't close above 29.13, and it starts to just reject and it breaks the lows at 29.10, then yeah. Because then you're going to come straight down towards the stops. Right? This is like a pretty important area, I'll say. 29.13.91. If it breaks the 1 hour lows especially, which is our stop loss, then yeah. Because you're re-breaking the 4 hour lows. But right now the fork is still closed bullish. You still got 20 minutes left into the candle. Alright, this thing is still flip bullish. This fork kind of closed bearish, but it closed bearish respecting these areas here, right? So this can just be a bottom wick for us to do this. Still a possibility, but we only got 14 minutes left now. How did we close our chat? So the 15 close, weak bullish here. Yeah, man, like still no closures above 13 or 29.14 here, so can't take any second positions yet. Gotta wait still, gotta wait. Look at this. Lower highs being printed, right? Actually, you know what? Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, high, higher low maybe? It's just this. This is it. Once you break this, you can confirm this is a higher low. And then you have a way much higher probability to drive up. 14.24. So I got a lot of levels here, but move this up towards here. On a real note, how do you mark ranges on a MT5? I just dropped my lines there, but I go off of TradingView. So I took my two major zones off of TradingView, and on MT5 I add like small lines, like small levels of support resistance. $65 pips is peak. Gonna flip up. Let's see, man. This 15 didn't close too promising. Get a wick fill, but when I flips you get stopped, oh, you're in cells. Yeah, see, is look. Respected, right? The more top wicks you get here, the worse it will get because this high is being created. Highs, and you get a spike. Let's say it's pushing down now again. May end up filling this 15-minute range, 5-minute range here. What do you have next? 2 minutes left for a 5. You got back in. Chat, look, we're closing below here. A high chance here. Unless you flip last second here. let's see, if you had a pineapple position earlier, you would have got 35. This would have been negative 28, yeah. Can the 5 close bullish though? Nothing is flipping. Yeah, no, this is looking like GG's. We're not moving stops though, chat. That's the stop we're gonna have. That's the 1 hour stops here. What was the risk here? And this is what was the risk here? This was, I think, 7%, 84 pip stops, 6.35%. I have 5 closed bearish here. It's still closed somewhat respecting these levels here, but let's see, can we execute another? How much are stops here? If we execute pineapples in the break at the highs, 36 pips. Yeah, no, this looks like it's gonna continue down here. Unless you flip here, but. And then you have the 1 hour closure, which looks like it may close bearish. So next 1 hour count looks like it may continue down. The only way we can survive this is if it doesn't tap before 9, because then you can maybe pull back for a top wick at 9. But looking at the structure here, it's just been creating highs to come down. Five pips here from stops here, chat. Might be GG's. Might be GG's here. Unless the 5 flips bullish, then there's some hope. But you don't want to go off of hope. What would be the loss here? The loss hits 71. Oh wait, stops are, yeah, 89 pips, $71. Damn, I hope it goes up. Don't hope all you want, man. Looking at price action though, here's the thing, you made a low. Now you gotta flip bullish on the 5. You're like 19 pips away. It's gonna require a lot. Look, another top wicker in the minute. You're gonna hit stops here. Yep, stops hit. Damn. Okay. So price came up, reflip bullish. We took our buys. Here's the thing, chat. This is a trade that we broke down before the NY session, or at the beginning, right? We're looking for this trade all morning, just to re-break at the highs. We're expecting the 1 hour candle to flip bullish and drive up. Would I have had a better entry? I don't think so. Because we're looking for the re-break at the highs up here. And that pop gave us like, I think 7-8 pips, but I was expecting a much stronger pop. And then as for pineapples, where would that have been if we were to grab any of them? There were times where we came close again pineapples. Like maybe like the first retracement, we're looking for the reflip in the 5 and never did that. And then like these lows that were created here weren't any second positions for me, especially these ones down here as well. There's nothing there for second positions. The only way we could have grabbed something was back above like 29.14, and that never happened. So yeah, man, it's looking like right now what that was price broke the lows, flip bullish, create a topic up here. Now it's re-breaking lows again with the 4 count closing bearish and the 1 hour closing bearish. there's a chance that you could continue down for the next 1 hour candle, but something's also telling me that there's still a chance that you could still continue up because there's still this level being held there on the 1, right? But I wasn't looking to move stops here because the next stop that you could have moved it towards was like maybe down here. I think below this wick here, which was, I think, an extra 70 pips. So ideally not worth the position at that point anymore, right? But I would assume if you're going to continue up the next candle, what you'll probably need to see first here, chat, is some type of bottom wick and then like a bullish flip here. That's something you probably want to see next. That's the only way you can probably get buys up. But there's still a possibility. Our position was off though, clearly, right? We're expecting the 1 hour candle flip on this candle. But that never occurred. But yeah, that loss there was, let's take a look. What was that loss there? $76. Let's take a look here. So that trade was taken the 13th, February 2025. What time, chat? That was 8:34 trade, 8:34 a.m. 8:34 New York. Gold, bullish bias that we had. Yeah, bullish bias. Normal buys. It was, I want to say, the news kind of rebreaking a high, so what can we put that? Liquidity on the 130. And we took the rebreak of the highs. TPE on the 1. No BE obviously hit a loss there. Time frame used was the 30, the 1, and the 5. Expected outcome, we expected a flip and a drive on the 30. I know it was a loss. 0.08. What was the profit? Or negative? 76.20. We got like slipped on the stops but only by like I think 6 pips there. Not much of a difference, but we did get slipped on the stops too. Minus 5.5. Drawdown was the whole stop loss, so negative 95.5. Max profits was like what, 7 pips I think it was. Exit reasoning, stop loss hit on the 1 hour stops that we use. All right, so count froze again. First day back watching. Yeah, man, I apologize. That sucks. Yeah, that sucks, bro. First day back is crazy. First day back is kind of crazy, bro. It's okay though. We'll be alright. We have today's still. We got Friday. We'll see if there's more trades today. If there's not, then we'll call it a day with this. I'll probably be here until like at least 10. We'll see how things are. But yeah, chat. It looks. I don't know if this is direction yet. That's the thing. I don't know if this is direction to go down yet, or we can still come up with a 1 hour next. So we'll see if there's gonna be enough volume here for the rest of the day. We'll see. Do a trade recap. I just enter. I did one, bro. I just did one. I did a pre-trade analysis on what I was planning to take, and then when I did a recap, I just explained what the plan was. Right? This is still a trade I would take. We've taken this trade many times before. I wouldn't change anything with the trade. I think the buy stops moving it up from the previous high to this high here for an extra 4 pips was the better idea because it was cleaner traffic above here. You know what I mean? But yeah, I think everything was pretty straightforward. I don't think I would have changed anything else. Even the pineapples, right? I couldn't have any more pineapples anywhere else. What was this tap here on the 5? Would this have been something? I don't think so, right? Nah, I don't think so, man. This pineapple, I think the reason why it wasn't valid here, you see this push down? This one right here? This one wasn't valid because you've already created a low here. So when you rewrote the lows, I wasn't as interested. If this thing tapped here first, maybe, yeah, wick entries there, and then you would have closed off both positions in this range. But the rebreakout lows, I don't think so, man. That's a little tough. I think the 1 hour never flipped. My buy stop not triggered. No, our buy stop was a low below the 30/1 hour flip. Yeah, actually didn't flip though. I think even if I had my buy stop there, it would have been activated here. Look, that's the flip. That's the 1 hour flip, right? I'm pretty sure we got activated. Unless you had the rebreak at the highest, then different story. I would have been in, I think. But that would have been a worse entry. That would have been straight drawdown for me. So bullish? Let's see. Yeah, because look, let's see how the 4 kind of obviously closed bearish here, right? The 1 hour closed bearish too. You can kind of see these things all close bearish here, but the 4, look where it closed. There's a strong support here, right? There's also a resistance up here. So this is like still respecting that structure. I would like to see though, if you are gonna get more buys up today, a bottom wick form, which means that I would like to see us push down a little further here to start the candle off, and then maybe like by 9:30 NYC continue up. But that's it. Let's see. Bungie, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. Audrey, thanks for the follow. Twin Mall, thanks for the follow. What percent you guys lose today? If you guys did that trade. If you guys didn't. Someone said they went break even. If you went break even, that was obviously the great play, but I don't think I even got anything crazy here. 70 pips. Lost, you're funded. Damn, bro, I apologize. That's crazy. You're still holding? Why? If you're holding though, the smart move probably to move stops to this low here. I don't know where your stops are. Plus 10%. Saw different to you today, broski. Damn. That's crazy. I lost 6% today, chat. 6 point. 6%, 6.6%. Let's see, man. If you there's still buys chat. I'll say like once you close above like 14 levels, once you break that structural area there, you can probably look for more buys up. That's crazy. 2900 stop loss. Can got cooked, not gonna lie. 6%. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. Not the worst. Why aren't you looking at sell just buy? Just question because the market is going down. I explained this before the news today that for me to look for sells down, I would I would like to see a tap towards, like earlier I said, 29, 22 levels to break those highs, because this could just be a fake out slash liquidity for us to drop up still. The daily is still bullish, right? So you can still continue up on the daily before kind of close respecting the ranges. This is the thing. Before kind of close respecting this support here. So if you are to continue down, excuse me, if you're continue down, you probably continue down towards 2900, right? So the thing is, you continuing down doesn't indicate that you're gonna continue down, because you're still respecting the support here. So if you print something like this, right? It'll tap 2900, but it doesn't mean it's gonna come down necessarily yet, because you can at any given point still flip bullish. And if it flips bullish again, then that's just a bond wick, and that's just your move back up to retest the highs, right? So what I'll do instead is wait to see if you can close below 2900, and then below 2900, take more sells coming down towards 2988 as a target. But you want to see a first tap to 2900, and then you want to see if it rejects there or not. So what you'll start to see is something like this form. You start to see a pop down, a reaction, a pullback, and then anything below there, like a closure below here, that'll be continuations down, all right? And that'll be your position. And then below like 29, come down towards 2888. That's how I identify if this 4 count is going to drive up or down here. Different story if the 4 count close respecting or below the range there. So yeah, it's not like I'm not looking for sells. Just right now I'm not looking for sells. I still believe this could be a fake go up. Channel point bet. Y'all style with liquidity to drive up. Let's see. This 4 can still flip, man. 9 missing to the candle. I'll buy again 2904. Man, I can't do much here. We gotta just wait. Even if we didn't get that first position, right? Same thing. We gotta just wait here. See how this 4 kind of opens up and plays out here. Yeah, something here. Got bullish counter here in the 5. Is there ever stuff where you stack or not stack anymore? No, I still stack. It depends on the setup. Depends how much stops there though. Stops gotta be lower for you to stack, right? You can't have like 280 pip stops with the same risk. If I stack, it'll have to be equivalent to like the first set of risk we have, which is like that first trade with 6% risk. We'll have to have stops small enough so we can take multiple positions with 6% risk. This ain't 114 win streak on gold. Forex trading CG. Yeah, but we did a 64 on gold last year. 64 on gold. It wasn't CG, it was gold. You can go on any win streak you want. You just gotta, like, it's all possible, right? That's the thing about the high win rate too. Like, you do need to go on a win streak. We got stock and gold going up. It's crazy. That's just how it be sometimes, man. But what are you gonna do? Complain? Nah. We know what's gonna happen here. With like we in terms of like we know what our plan is, right? So we just gotta wait for that to play out. We said the 4 account was respecting support here. There's definitely still buys up. Next positions though won't be until like 29.16 here, chat. Anything above this range here, we gotta go up on the 5. You see this resistance here? That structure that it created. So above 29.16, yeah, you have more buys up. We have more buys up above there. Because this, be careful. Be careful because this could still flip bearish, right? The 4 is still open, but I believe above this 5-minute range here should get continuation up towards like 29, 24 areas, which is that top wick that we're looking for before continuing down today. Hence why I'm not bearish yet, because I still believe that needs to happen. That's still the plan here today. That hasn't changed. Even if we hit stops, we're in a position, right? Because us taking a position, yeah, or not, no position, we're still looking for the same outcome of the day when it comes to the charts. You know what I mean? Classic gold. Chat, was this our first loss on Twitch? Daily P&L, let me put this. This I actually forgot. No troll shit. Gold buys. -6 point. No. It was more. Right? Then we got slipped, so it was a little more than that. It was 7%. $7.18. That was? Yeah, it definitely was. I don't remember losing on Twitch though, that's the thing. You guys make trading harder on y'all. Always wait for news. Happens all damn time. Yeah, but this is a trade we take all our damn time too after news. It comes down to what you're looking for, what you're journaling, right? But this trade here, we've been taking it since like I think mid 2023 on stream. Rebreak the highs, rebreak the lows for news. It's not like we have like a 10% win rate on it, right? We have a pretty high win rate on the news trade. Again, probabilities. Today's probability didn't play out, but tomorrow's will. Just because y'all say the same trade doesn't mean it's the correct one? Yeah, but that's the thing. When you take a loss and you're saying to yourself now, oh, I'm not going to take that trade next time. You're not sample sizing anything, right? There's nothing that you're sample sizing there. And you need to build probability. You need to build that sample size because that's what is going to lead to long-term consistency. If you keep saying to yourself after every loss, that was a bad loss, that trade I shouldn't have taken. And it's not about being delusional. It's about recording your trades and taking those trades over and over and over to build probability. Because let's say you take trade A 10 times, 90% win rate. You take trade, or 100 times, 9% win rate. You take trade B, 76% win rate. Over time, you can look to cancel out trade B and only take trade A. But that's what we're doing, right? This trade has been taken for like a year and a half. It was wrong today, but it doesn't mean it's always gonna be wrong. It doesn't mean now you have to go and change it. Because you can't change a trade the day after you take a loss. Because now the same amount of effort it took you to build a probability for that trade, the same amount of effort it'll take for you to destroy that trade. Which means that if this trade over like the next 100 trades has like a 4% win rate, 50% win rate, and it's not the 9% win rate no more, okay, now you can go and change the way you approach this trade next time. Because yeah, you can officially say now it's a bad trade. But one trade out of like hundreds of trades, you can't say it's a bad trade. You have to give the same amount of effort. Make sense? Because if you do that, you're gonna be running in circles. You're gonna be running in circles all the time. You're always gonna be saying like shoulda, woulda, coulda, and shoulda, woulda, coulda leads to no consistency. I disagree. I think trading you have to adapt and always tweak. Yeah, you gotta tweak, but imagine if you tweak a trade after every trade taken. You don't actually know the true win rate of that trade. You would never know the true win rate because you're going off of one sample size trade. What's better, taking 100 trades and seeing an 80% win rate, or taking 4 trades and seeing a 95% win rate? You know what I mean? Yeah, great trade batch is also the objective of each trader, yep. It's part of the game, man. Part of the game, part of trading. What are you gonna do, cry and bitch about it? Oh my god, I took a loss today. I can't handle my emotions, man. Like, fuck. Like, oh my god. Come on, bro. Yeah, game adaptation. Look, you're not even breaking above 29.16 here. You're pushing up here, so it could still be a fake out. But if you were to have, let's see, a pineapple. Let's say you were to still be in, you had a pineapple. 70 pips. I don't have more pineapples here if you survive. John, if it breaks 29.13, 1 minute high, too long. I need to see a 16 here. I think a 16 here would be a lot better for you. A 16 break should give you a strong pop too, like an 85 pip pop. You don't agree that you should be changing a little something in the way you trade? Nah, I agree because if you watch my streams in 2020, it's been changing since. But it changes bit and like little bits at a time, year after year. It doesn't change per trade. We spend like sometimes we spend like years, like a full year sample sizing a certain setup. So yeah, our strategy has evolved, but it doesn't just evolve overnight. It takes years to evolve. Like there's a huge difference from when we first started to now, right? But that wasn't after that wasn't after a year. That was after 4 years of data. What you're talking about is a short-term adjustment. We're looking at long-term adjustments. There's a difference in what we're talking about here, but it doesn't mean like I don't tweak my strategy. Oh man, we're pushing. Chad, the reason why like I would target 29.24 if you break above 29.16 is because earlier, if we were looking for the break of the highs before coming down, that wasn't just like some random shit I've said, right? That's literally what price would do majority of the time. When you have a range, you would need to either tap the highs or the lows before continuing in a direction. So if in this case here, you didn't tap this area to confirm sells down, and the first thing price does tap the move, like it broke the lows first before it's coming up, don't you think it's gonna just break straight through 29.24 now? Very high chance. If anything, past it, right? But 29.24 is a pretty decent resistance. So if we're looking for more buys up here, we're looking at target that area. So that would be like the next idea we have here. It's just you want to see a push above 29.16. I think it was above here on like the 5. Right, above here on the 5 will indicate this. And that's your move up. That's what you're looking for. I think the range up there is like a 85 pip range. That'll be a second attempt for the buzz. And I think we have a little bigger stops than the last trade because it's just gonna be the 1 hour lows. Same stop idea, but wider this time because I think the range is the bottom wick is a bit longer. So let's see. Very apologies because I asked questions, me I'm being negative. Don't know why you sound bitter in what I'm saying. Here's the thing, Ultra, the XAU 313. I spent my first year trading positive RR. So I have experience from both sides. I didn't just wake up one day and say, I'm gonna trade this way just because. Experience is what got me here. Over time, we came to a realization on stream too that this makes more sense, right? And there was proof that this made more sense. But when I first started trading, trust me, by the way you're speaking about your trades, I've been there. But this is where I start asking, like, can you say the same about your trading? Have you been trading this way to know what works better for yourself? Right? So that's why I'm like, I could argue back and forth because I have traded the way you traded. Like I have traded with a positive RR, stops were like wick entry stops, TP was like 1 to 10R, like that. I've done that. I've done that for the first year of my trading. And over time, like we kind of just made our way here naturally. I didn't just wake up one day though and just said, "Yep, this is what I'm gonna do." He's trying 30 and 1, bruh. Are you serious right now, bruh? Bruh, did you miss everything about this trade? This trade was taken on the 1 hour, 30-minute time frame. The 1 hour flip, 30-minute flip, 15-minute rebreak of the highs. It was, if anything, this is the only trade that wasn't on the 1. I just entered when I was looking at the 1 minute time frame, but like the buy stop was based off the 15 and 30. Y'all got selective hearing, bro? Or flipping now. Like our last trade was look, so if you want my journal, this right here, you see this? This is the time frames we use for each trade. So it's never just one time frame. This trade was a 5, 30, 1, and also the 15. Let me check out the 15 too. Yes, this trade was the 1 minute, 15, 1 hour 4. The day before that was the 1 minute, the 15, the 1 hour. The day before that, same thing, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, or minute, 30, 1 hour. Like it's never a one time frame. Let's see what happens here though. The 4 count looks like it's about to flip. Ideally, you want to see a bottom wick first. Yeah, some levels here could be respected if you to reject. I believe that anything above 29.14 could be better buys than 29.16. But you want something like this. All right, for buys. And for sells here, like I said earlier, chat, sells won't be until below like 2,900. Below 2,900, you have sells till like 28.88 or 28.95. 5 no bottom wick. Okay. NYC open here too. 30-minute close. Very weak bullish. Very weak bullish. The NYC open. I'm gonna put a line here. 2913.999. 2913.999. Above here. 2914.10. I'll put it at. Until then, anything below here could just be sell still. You're gonna buy now. Okay, yeah, this could be a higher low in the 5. I got buys low 2914 here. No buy stop, so let you guys know if I enter, how I enter. Yeah, 7 TV. Yeah, you don't see it? Those ones, no? I have it. We've been having it. Can we get positions today again, or will this be it, chat? Will this be it today? Look at the 30. Top wicks. Top wicks. Top wicks. Better get buy about 2913.354. Yeah, I got the same thing, bro. Above there. Actually, no, I can't really say that's the better buy. If you have a different eye for something over here, but I don't know what's gonna happen here in terms of the market. Just in this range. What do you have tomorrow? Core retail sales and retail sales on a Friday, 8:30. Okay. All right. All right. Check NAS 100. NAS 100. Holy fuck. Yeah, you're bullish till 21,899 here. What are you doing tomorrow for Valentine's? What am I doing tomorrow on Valentine's? No, I'm trolling. I planned it out already. I'm gonna be Chef Don in the kitchen. Yeah, Drake's dropping an album tomorrow on Valentine's Day. Maybe we might stream tonight. Maybe. You going Nobu? Nobu? Nah. I think this year I'm cooking a meal. Cooking dinner up. Valentine's stream. Yeah. For sure. If I do a Valentine's stream and someone asks a negative R question, what should I do? Wow. Look at that structure that I created now, chat. I think about 29.14 would be good for buyers or for us. $29.14. Almost there. What time is it? NYC open? Yeah. 5 closure or minute closure above 29.14.10 should be good for us here. Depending on if it closes before or after 9:40 here. Yeah, this should be pretty good buys up towards the top of the range next. And then target could be like 29. My overall target for a day is still 29.24, but 29.19 is a pretty good level if you have buys above here. That's the next resistance, right? That's a much safer level. 29.24, you still kind of gotta break above these highs here. Let's see. Get ready here, chat. Chat, I'm gonna enter one position here as you're breaking above these highs. And then if you get a closure, we may look for another position. Okay? I believe you may get a pop here. Wow. I don't think this was a real wick here. Honestly, like, chat, I couldn't even do anything about the first position stops too. Like, that would have been it. I think even if we moved it down, it would have been here. I would have got tapped too. I think there's nothing else we could have done about that stop. And it's unfortunate that it came up now, but the analysis still stands, right? The buys for the buys after the news create a bottom wick. It just came down to re-break the lows, which wasn't part of our plan today. It's cool though. Okay, 1 minute close above, so we'd have the same entry there. Cool. 5 closure. If the 5 can close above this range here, we'll look for a second position probably here. Or if you can re-break the highs after a bottom wick, we'll look for a second position. And you're looking to fill this range here. 29.19 is like your target. The 1 hour time from chat, wow. No bottom wick. If you can get a bottom wick and re-break the highs, chat might have a second entry. You want to see like 29.13 gets after. Oh, you ever heard that? 29.13 second entry? Yeah. I want to see a flip though. But I would assume if you re-break the highs here, you should fill his wick up here, which is our first entry wick. Yeah, 5 minutes for a 15 closure too. If it doesn't happen, we can wait for that too. So buy stocks in the re-break of the highs here after creating a bottom wick here. I'm expecting a pop here, chat, so get ready. $29.15.14, $29.18.96. Whoa, why did it move? My bad. Oh damn. Chat, second position. I don't know why the buy stop got moved, but I just marked executed. This would have been the buy stop anyways at that price point, okay? And TP, I don't know why I did that, but I was looking to adjust my TP and it moved, but same TP entry is just the re-break of the highs, so same level it would have been activated at. All right, and looking for a pop straight up towards 29.18.94 or 95 here. The reason I stacked here is because earlier you create a high, you pulled back. Now you have on top of just that pullback, you have more structure being developed, right? So this should continue to pop straight up towards the top of the range at 29.19. Again, you could leave TPs a little higher, but I'm gonna leave at 29.19. I think that's a pretty good like next level TP because that's when you're running into like this resistance again. And if you were to have an extended TP, which is like 29.24, it's because you're looking for a top wick to be created there, right? So before price continues down today, you would expect something like this to occur if it were to continue down, if it has even time to continue down, right? But that's why like my overall TP is like 29.24/25. W save, yeah. I don't know why it moved there, but yeah, I saw what happened. Just mark execute same area would have been the buy stop, just to break at the highs. Once you tap like 29.17, you can look to move stocks to BE. This wick right here, this wick film, that's a good break-even zone. Here we get it. And this wick should get filled here. And that's your BE. NYC open too, bringing lots of volume. If it were to reject to continue down, it would have done so on this push here. This would have been it. Right? Because he came up, came back down, and you rebroke the highs again. So now this should be direction for a day. It should just end up coming up. $29.21 was the last highs, to be honest. It can go 29.20, but safe. 29.19 is good. Yeah. You don't gotta be too precise. Like in that range, there should be okay, right? Because the idea is just the overall resistance. Like this area here, right? Resistance there, 29.19, and then next level 29.23. So you don't gotta be too precise, just the overall level. Another bottom wick. Hitting closure, bullish closure above. You might have a third entry here, chat, if it taps into the 29.12 here. A wick entry. Because you're expecting this 15 to flip. If you come down, you get a wick entry for a tap. I wouldn't take anything here again though, because we already have entries on the flip, right? It's the same shit. There's no point. But if you come down here, we get a bottom wick entry. That's possible. Why the fuck am I frozen again? Why not place BE? BE will be 29.17.84. That's BE. That should be tapped minimum today. So chat, I'm gonna grab some water. Give me like 1 second. What did I miss? Wow. Third entries would have been insane, huh? Cook some runners. Let's see. I'm not expecting this to be like a crazy runner here, but 29.19 should be pretty good. A 4-hour candle. Respected that support. And overall, you have like 35, which is a different level though. That's the daily. But look at the daily today, chat. If you look at the structure, you have that. You have this here. This is the daily range you're in, right? So, you know, same thing happened here. Bearish candle, and then continue up to make an all-time high. Same thing kind of down here too. Bearish candle, made all-time high. Bearish candle, all-time high. This is very similar in the setups in terms of a daily, right? Bearish candle, next candle, onion, retest the highs. It's been doing the same thing for the last year on a daily. But this is a daily. This is a way higher time frame, right? Can we get a pop here? Let me get a pop here. I think you need a 5 closure here, Chad. Once this 5 closes bullish in a minute here, you should get a fly. Straight up towards 29.19. Does the 4 bother you? No, because the 4 candle closed respecting. That's why, like, even when it hit stops, I was like, Chad, I'm still bullish here, man. But you see what I mean? Like, that's not delusional though. That's like, price action shows that it's still bullish. We just unfortunately hit stops, right? Our stop, I still don't know where else I would have put my stops. If I moved it, it would have been an extra 7 pips down below, or 48 pips. But I really assumed that was a stop because that was a new candle low, and that's a stop that I would use 9 times out of 10, or 10 times out of 10. So it's just unfortunate hit stops, but we give it another go here. So let's see how this goes. I would assume this will drive. This is like NYC open. Second time you root breaking the highs. You have structure now. Late into the day, you should get more direction than the earlier push. Even though we expect the earlier one to be the move. Cool though. And then 29.17.84, 29.19 should be TP. You have 5 closure here in about a minute here. So with this 5 closure, expect to drive up. No top wick though. Could be interesting here. 15 minutes still open. It's breaking the highs. Yeah, you're for sure BE at like 29.17 chat. That's for sure risk free over there. 29.17, 642 should be BE, okay? And you have a 15 closure and 10, or you have a 1 hour closure too. Wow, you have a 1 hour closure. I forgot. Do you have a 1 hour closure? Can we get a pop? 1 hour closure, look at the 15. If that closes bullish, look at the 1 hour. If it closes bullish, 30 if it closes bullish, it's all good. As long as the 1 hour count does not flip bearish, you're good here still. Because this is just going to be a fake out now. Confirmed fake out too with the 1 hour candle. Right? You could say you had this over here. You have this up here. 1 hour closes bullish back into the range. You're going to get tapped to here. Just be careful at 29.20. We're taking profit there for sure, but there's still a small chance that once you tap 29.20, that you can get something like this though. Because you tapping 29.20 isn't you breaking the highs. It's you respecting these highs still, right? But it's just a tap into that resistance. So once you tap that level, you may not even break this highs and you still could get this. But that's we'll be able to trade by then anyways. So it don't matter. Did you close? No, I'm still in. Still in. If the 1 hour closes bullish chat and we haven't tapped 29.17, we get their position up. Because then what are you expecting for the 1 hour candle to do? Right? You're expecting a pop up. Bullish candle back into the range, this is what you're expecting. The 1 hour opening, if it closes and leaves a wick fill, we can look for a buy up. If it doesn't leave a wick fill or it taps a TP, we're out. But if it doesn't, then we can look for a third position. That's in about 8 minutes though. 8 minutes. Yo, 80-101. Thanks for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Love the push. Let's see. What a move, though. A minute for a 5 closure. See the fake out though on the 1 hour time frame? Right, you can say this is a fake out now. Just move down. W come back? Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. We're not even looking to come back here. We're looking to just take the higher probable trade. Right? That's it. It's the higher probable trade. I sort of want this 1 hour candle to start pulling back though for this new 1 hour candle. Let me delete these lines here. If the 1 hour closes above, I don't think it's gonna close above. I don't think it's gonna close above. I hope I'm wrong, but I don't think it's gonna close above the 29.20 level. I think it's gonna close like somewhere between like 29.15, 29.16. And then you have the wick fill for the next 1 hour candle, and you can take advantage of that pull instead. But I don't think you're gonna like close above 29.20. At least for 10. Maybe like 10:30. 10:30 to 11 maybe. The next 1 hour candle, but this 1 hour candle should be closing in this range here. It's just hard to imagine that we're gonna drive down without creating top wicks here. Because the price rarely does that. Alright? If it were to truly be bearish, it would have needed to grab top wicks here for the day first today. 3 minutes for a 1 hour closure, chat. 3 minutes. If the 1 hour close is like bullish here, right? If the 1 hour close is bullish here, but it closes below here, I don't know what this level is off of 14 because the fake out starts from here. But let's say, I'm gonna say this is off of, the 15, right? So if the 1 hour close is bullish, you're still expecting the wick fill up. We can just move our TP down towards the wick fill instead. So instead of like leaving TP at 29.19, we'll move it to like 29.17 instead. Because you're closing below the range. So probability of tapping 2019 is a bit lower. But as long as it closes bullish, you're good still. Right? And then we'll look to close out here instead of holding until 2019, which is fine. But you got 2 minutes left for a 1 hour closure here. Let's go with doing 1 hour pullback. Right? At the end of every hour or at the end of every candle, what do you usually get? A pullback for the next candle to continue. Right? So we were expecting this. We even said you might get a pullback here, and if you do, what's that going to be? Third position, wick entry up, and we'll look to get out at the wick fill of the 1 hour wick instead. So don't like you don't gotta scramble. We know how candles move, right? Just trust the candles. And guess what? If you don't pull back, you don't pull back. But if you do pull back, at least you know what you're expecting. You know what I mean? But the more bottom wicks you have, like this is good. The more wicks you have like this, the more structure you have going up, which means that it's harder for you to come down. It's a lot harder for you to come down. What time is it? 2 minutes till 10 a.m. here. Where'd you manage it to close it if it goes down? I'm gonna say below 29.09. Below 29.09 probably, below here. Because that will break all the structure, right? Look at the structure so far. You have this move down, this move up, down, up, down, up, down. If you break this low, you're gonna go down, right? So you have to hold that 29.10, 29.12 level to continue up. And that's the range fill. One hour wick fill here, chat. Let's keep doing that. So look, 1 hour close bullish. Again, I don't know what this level is, but the 1 hour fake out was here, right? So any closure above there was fine. This is fine still. In terms of actually, what is this even? 29.15. What is this? Is that a 15 level? No, it's not a 15 level. That's not a 1 hour level though. 1 hour level was below 29, above 29.11. I don't know what that line was, but still have the same TP here, chat. 29.19 here. No third positions yet, but you are pumping up though. Want to dial it? Sorry, Zoom. I don't know why it's not sharing my screen here. Here we go. What a pump on the 1 hour candle. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. Chat, close positions there. Closing positions here at 29.18.26. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Am I really delusional? Or did I just trust my analysis? Am I really delusional? What do you guys think, chat? Were we not right about the analysis even to hit stops though? Fuck! It hit stops though. It sucks. But we stuck with it. We're still bullish. Even when it came down. And it paid off. On the second trade. Now we're not looking to make back the loss, right? So I put an extra line right here at 29.18.86. Maybe a couple minutes for the 1 hour closure, and that's where I closed off instead of TP. I think TP was maybe 7 pips away. But I closed off there at that resistance. And let's see, for the day we're down for the day we are down I think $20, $26. So we're still, I think we're down 2% today. I'm pretty sure 2% today. So I'll take it. I'll take it. But not bad. Not bad of a day, chat. Can't really complain, you know? Great way to bounce back. And you got Friday tomorrow too. 1 to 1 R. What was that? 30 pips and then 34. Did anyone else get a third position? Anyone else get a third position? W, man. Let's fucking go. I got 2 heavy ones, not gonna lie. Yeah. $27.23. Let me go join this real quick, chat. Let me join this real quick.
Yeah, I'm the man in my city. Baby, I show you the world. You're my only girl. I ain't even got no hoes like that. She ain't want me until I showed her all my chains and plates. I got plaques on plaques. Bitch, I'm Playboy Mac. Yeah, said I reached my peak. I just ignoring that shit cat. Shit just get so crazy in my city, but it was your back. Niggas quit, they trade up on it for some cash. I don't don't sleep no more. I get money and then fuck some hoes. Used to eat my dick, now she says she wants something more. She don't love you, nigga. She just tryna
938 and 01. No. 938. 941. Nigga, I was broke, got my rights up on my own. You don't even know, cause you weren't even there. Shorty seen my money, now she acting like she care. Bullish, bullish, bullish bias. Still standing on that. Breakout. Oh, that's a pineapple. First position was fake out on the 15. Second position was same thing on the rebreak of the highs. Said I reached my peak, I just ignoring that she kept. Shit just get so crazy in my city, but it watch your back. Niggas quit they trade up on it for some cash. This shit fast on my head away. Really fell for all them. If you held the first trade, congratulations, bro. I actually hate you though. I actually hate you if you held the first trade. I envy you. BE point. Wick fell. Wick fell, but it didn't move out to BE though. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4. And drive. Am I getting copy reference on YouTube? Well, hopefully not. Win 0.08. So this is a live example of we don't only ever catch only 10 pips, you know? Not every trade is the same. But you know, those guys probably left by now. That's why I don't even bother arguing no more, man. They're not even here to hear my side of it. What the fuck is this? Oh no, that sounds copyright friendly. I gotta lower this. Max drawdown on that trade, chat. What was drawdown on that trade, chat? Maybe like 18? Second position. No, it was a lot worse, I think. 14. Second one was 17. 14 and 17. So this one was negative 14. This one negative 17. Pips. Profit. 27.1223. 27.112. 23.20. Pips. 33.929. Max profits. TP would have smacked, right? So there we go. Another trade where TP would have been smacked to 43 plus 37. 43 plus 37. Exit reasoning. 1 hour resistance. So I'm gonna put this here as 1 hour resistance. And T2 would have hit. T2 would have hit. Oh no, stop loss hit. And this was for 43 and 37. Okay, not bad. And then compound interest. So we did. What percent we at today, chat? What's the P&L for the day so far? 36. Oh no, that's not today. P&L today 26.08. Okay. All right, we're down 2.45% today. Hey, clap it up. That's not too bad, huh? Go away, bounce back, chat. Go away, bounce back. You done trading? I don't know. I don't think so, because if this is a fake, I would expect continuations, but I want to see how it plays out at 29.19 here. So no, I'm not done yet. I'm still standing by the fact that you need a top wick at 29.23 here, so we still have range going up. See that range going up here. So yeah, I'm not done. But depends. If it's like, let's say what time is it? 10:10. If it's 10:30, and it's dead volume, then I'll be done. But if there's still volume, I'll be here still. So it depends on this volume or not in the next 20 minutes, I'll say. Okay. I like you. The only weakling is done. Yeah, daily P&L 0.245%. Not bad. Clap without hands. Crazy, bro. What up, Green? L-O-O-L. Alright, here we go again. What now? What else you gotta say now? Just say it. Let me guess. You should have held. Should have held, Don. 46 pips and has 100? Nice. Would you clap without hands though? I gotta remove the duct tape first, bro. Wrap around my leg 3 times. I got one more in me, chat. Gold skyrocketing? Yeah. That 4-hour candle, I know it looks like it's gonna flip, but the way it closed and when you're at all-time highs, just keep playing that in your head. When you're at all-time highs, you always tend to re-break the highs again. Majority of the times, that's what would happen. The bullish is tempting, man. Yeah, but you still gotta wait for price action, you know what I mean? Hey, all I'm saying is that if it does tap 23, 24 today, in advance. Yo, hey, like says a follow. Leak Ace, thanks for the follow. Dingleberry Farmer, thanks for the follow. Look, don't speak, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Chat, should we not do YouTube tomorrow? So we can play music on stream? What do you guys think? Drake album dropping tomorrow. I'm playing that shit all day tomorrow. Hopefully it's not no slow music though. I hope it's not no slow music. It better sound like a Cash Cobain album. Isn't there a way to play music on Twitch? Yes. I need different tracks. But I have my GoXLR on my gaming PC and I have a stream PC, so I can't divide the tracks. If the GoXLR, which is the stem, it divides the tracks on my stream PC, then yeah. But I don't have it connected to my stream. I have it connected to my gaming PC. So no, there's no way to do it. Actually, is there a way? I don't know. I don't think so though. This GoXLR only has one No, I don't think I can do that, bro. Your subs have more potential to hit moves, that's what I meant. Yeah, no. If you look at the TP, our TP has tapped, I think, since the last like 10 trades, it's tapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last like 10 trades, it's tapped like 8 times TP, which is pretty high. Yeah, so it does. And we're working towards, like, you know, letting it run a lot further, but that's gonna take some time. Dingleberry Farmer is the most outrageous name I've heard. Chat, our daily loss goal is 10%, right? So if those trades hit stops, we for sure would have been done. You use Streamlabs or Atom? I don't know what I use. I use something called yeah, I don't know what this is called. It's a plugin though. I don't know what it's called exactly that I use. What's happening here? 15 no top wick. Yeah, you're gonna pull back your chat. Once you pull back towards like 14, 15 again, you can start looking for wick entries up. I would not want to take them right here at this resistance. You know what I mean? But I think you should get a pullback. You get a pullback again, you should be good to go up towards 29, 21 next. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it just might just fly up here, but I can't take them here, unfortunately. 2019 is weak. Yeah, it is a weaker level. It is a weaker level. It might not pull back. It might not pull back. But I'm going to wait for something to pull back. If it happens, so I'll be in. If it doesn't happen, then I'll stay out. Simple. Just because I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of the 15 close. You know what I mean? It didn't close at resistance. It closed a little below it, so you got range to go up, which just got filled. But if you can pull back and have a better entry down here to retest the highs, and then since it's gonna re-break the highs the second time around later on, like this, then you have a much higher chance to drive past it. But I want to see something like this. Gold message some traders today. Yeah. Yeah. You know what though? It's cool. I love the the negative 2.5%, man. It's not bad at all. Oh, 110 subs. Let me put that down. I've been noticing for a couple times your liquidation is my TP, my liquidation is your TP. Working in the same hedge fund. If we probably be jumping onto each other. Come on, man. We gotta be in sync here. Stream tonight? Maybe. Maybe. Depends. Maybe. If I go live, I go live. I won't announce. I'll just go live. Okay. Come on, Drake. Please. Please, Drake. Drop a fire album tonight, bro. Please. Dun, 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 dun. Not bad, not bad. Oh, the track list dropped. Hold on. Let me pop it up. Yo, new track list. CN Tower, Mothballs. Something about you crying Chanel. Spider-Man, Superman, Deeper, Malltown Fame. Timmy's Dilemma, Brian Steele, Give Me a Hug, Rainy Houston, Lasers, Meet Your Padre, Nokia, Die Trying, Somebody Loves Me, Celibacy, On My Way, Glorious, When He's Done, Greedy. CN Tower. Yo, we're so back, man. We're so back. We're so back. If you don't drop 5 on country, we'll cook them. I can guarantee you there'll be at least one hit from this album. Is it 1 minute creating structure? It's also breaking it. I'll say if it comes down towards like 14 here, because if it's breaking it like this, I would assume you'll get something like this. You know what I mean? And then if that happens, and then you flip bullish on the 15, whatever, that'd be my buy. But I still want to see that. I'll say like this is structure though, if it does something like this. But there's too many bearish counts here to say that's former structure, right? That this is structure, then you'll get a pop eventually. That'll be your move. Lil Wayne not dropping? Nah, he is. Lil Wayne is dropping. You didn't see the lotion commercial? Oh boy. 6 minutes, chat. Chat, what percent you have done today? What's your overall day so far? Man, if we had a stack, I think it would have been around BE too, I think. On the 1 hour candle. Look at that 5. You're definitely gonna bottom wick here in advance. Minute bottom wick makes sense. Was up 1.5% now down 2. It's not bad, Drum. That's like 2 days of trading. No clip farming today. Honestly, the loss was enough clips to be honest. Oh my god, it's gonna be an easy buy. Don't lock in. Yeah. I'm locked. I'm so locked. So locked. Not bad recovery. It's not bad. Mm-mm-mm. 30 minutes. Ooh. You're pushing. This is the longest 4 minutes of my life, bro. Don, if you have a 1K account and use 0.08 lot, even if I have one and I use that, if you're gonna hit 2K, you're gonna change it to 0.16. No, I think my next increase will be like 1.5K. 1.5K, I change it to like a 1.16, or my bad, 1.10, 1.11, and then maybe like 1.7K. We'll do 1.5 or 0.15 lot size, and then 2,000 0.20 lot size. We'll see. Because I'm assuming we'll get more data down too, and we'll have a better idea of how our stops are gonna be by the time we hit a 2K account, right? We'll have like at least 100 trades taken on the account. I don't have like a set plan to increase my lots. I usually don't, but this count's a little different, so I have to. Technically, that last year was a 0.16 lot though. That was double. So every 0.01 is every 250 is probably a best safe bet. Yeah, do 0.01 every 250. What would that be at 1.5 then? 1.2? Yeah. Around there. I mean, we could leave the 0.08 lot for the whole year. That is possible. Don, yo, you really want to enter Korea Bear? 2920 is 92 as a target though. Are you not entering this trade? Break it high is tough though. 30 closure here. I want to see a bottom wick tap in 14 first here. That's the thing, and I think it's gonna happen because with the way it's closing here, closing weak bullish, it should open up like this. And once it does that and it flips, that will be my buy up, and that'll be a strong push too. But you want to see it break the lows on the 30 here. Right, look at that 1 minute structure. You have straight sells down towards 14. Hey, I'm just saying. Oh yeah, we got natural gas. Yeah, let's see what natural gas is. If natural gas can open up and just pop straight down here and flip, it might be in some. Let's see. 20 pips away from the lows. The 1 hour never broke the highs, right? So the breakout lows, you would need a flip. This is the flip. 1 hour lows breaks are down here. The reason why I wouldn't take the wick entry at 29.14, 29.13 is because that's where the 1 hour flip is. And this could happen today. This could happen today. This could still happen. Don't count that out. Like I said earlier, you haven't broken these highs yet. So yeah. Still creating a lower high here. But chat, it's 10:30 here. I'll give it like another 10-15 minutes here, but it's looking like it might be a day. I don't know. Unless you drive heavily down here for a bottom wick. Trying to eliminate a lot of opportunities there. Yeah, I copy onto a different account. It's on YouTube. Looks like we done. No, we'll see. Maybe it might still pop down here, but since we're waiting. What lot size would you use for a 3K account? Whoa. 3K account? This thing is so laggy, bro. I can't, this is unplayable. 3K account, I'm gonna say 0.20 lot. 0.25 lot maybe. That's what I'll use. Yeah, it's looking chop chat, looking chalked. Turn off acceleration. I did it yesterday, but is that in the Google settings? Yeah, I swear it's off. Yeah, no, it's off. Graphic acceleration when available, off. I don't know why it's so ass. No, why it's so ass. Using Chrome? Yeah. I'm out. See ya, man. See ya. What do you guys use? Brave? Or what's it called? What's the B one called? Oh, yeah, Brave. Opera GX. Internet Explorer. Microsoft Edge. Who the fuck uses Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge, bro? Hear me out. I'm listening. Opera. Microsoft Edge. Oh my god, there's volume. Yo, Silver, you left too early, bro. I apologize. You about to miss out. Holy fuck. Okay. Gold? Out of nowhere. This would be a top to break down? Yeah. Yep. But you do have structure. So the second time you're re-breaking the highs, it's much stronger, right? Still got a level at 2019 though. The 19 level looks stronger and stronger as we go. Alright. Alright. Careful here though. You need to close above or something. Yeah, you want to see closure above here. No base, no base, no base, no base, no base, no base. What up, Ramir? Buy if it closes above. Personally, I want to see how it comes up from here, but yeah, potential. I can't promise anything here.
This man has what many would call a dream job. His only task during the workday is to lower a rope so a bus full of people can enter the parking lot, and once they pass, he raises it back up. He doesn't even have to leave his chair. This man has what
That's a crazy ass job, man.
many would call a dream job. His only task during the workday is to lower a rope so a bus full of people can enter the parking lot.
For one bus a day.
And once
This artist leaves 3D printed art in famous cities, creating a treasure hunt in real life. Each artwork has a QR code so you can mark it as found and take it home. The pieces are
When you need stimulation,
hidden in some of the most iconic places on Earth, ready for people to find them. Do you think you
Travis Scott doesn't give out autographs unless his fans name a song by him.
Oh, Skeletons. Favorite song.
Skeletons. Dean. Days Before Rodeo. 9210. SPD or SDP. Smoke one, drink one by one. I would have got a signature for sure.
Travis Scott doesn't.
Oh, this is awesome.
Stop pressing the button when no sound is being played.
Wait, y'all didn't know? Wait, I thought I told y'all.
Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, all right.
Oh, I've been here. This is Vancouver.
Oh yeah, now this is what.
When this girl ordered DoorDash to her apartment, the last thing she expected would be the cops showing up at the same time as the delivery driver.
Just DoorDash. Oh, okay.
Kendrick just opened his mouth. Someone go hand him a Grammy right now. Where's your uncle at? Cause I wanna talk to the man of the house.
It's your uncle, Sam. And this is the great American game.
Kendrick just opened his mouth. Someone go hand him a Grammy right now.
Things I wish I knew when I started making beats that actually made a difference. Record sounds in real life to get unique results. Then add effects. Silence is an instrument.
Yeah.
I'm returning key. Push it in. Wait.
What?
Yeah, I got issues, bro. Key fell back out.
I'm not gonna lie, chat. I've seen all of these videos already. That's how I know I'm cooked. Damn.
One of the most irritating what-if moments in hip-hop is what would have happened if Kanye dropped Yandhi. For those who don't know, Yandhi was supposed to drop after The Life of Pablo, and it was before he went full Christian. Like unreleased songs like
Before he went full Christian. And then
Alien Go Crazy and New Body featuring Nicki Minaj and Ty Dolla $ign would have been a certified
Don, re-breaking the highs. You are trolling. There's nothing re-breaking the highs, you just liar. Buy, stop, re-break. Yo, I want to play ping pong here or I actually smoked you in ping pong? You're Richie, that's the game that you actually can't beat me in. If you have VR, I'll play in the VR ping pong.
I rub and listen when I'm chilling on my resting. I'm trying to kick it with your being messing.
How good can bad singing sound with autotune? Let's open autotune, click pitch, and track in our audio.
I had a dream so big and loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
It's worth noting that you can't tune gang vocals, so I'm going to move those to a separate track.
Gang vocals?
Now I'm going to take the squiggly line tool or the note object tool and draw in the melody where I think he meant to sing it because it looks like his pitch drifted about a semitone.
Gang vocals?
I had a dream so big and loud.
You can use the retune speed to adjust how fast the pitch jumps from one note to the next. Now that the vocal's in tune, we can put chords and instruments to it. Let's listen to the final result.
I had a dream so big and loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands out to the sky. I danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa,
Like and follow for more.
When you come back from drawdown. Yeah, incredible.
You forgot to do the most important thing.
Door. Check.
Retesting 29.4.
Window. Check. Home security system. Check. Like I'm
I saw this.
3, 2, 1.
I
watch his YouTube, Timberland makes beat, and I'm like, oh my god.
You saw that. I saw
If you
this.
stick a nail into a lemon and a penny into the other side, the acid in the lemon juice will react.
I saw this.
Who should I?
I saw this.
Is it true you've written probably over 1 million songs? That's not true because I don't write.
I saw this yesterday. I saw this already. I saw this one too. Zach filmed that. I saw this one.
In life, there's roadblocks. Don't let nothing stop you.
That had some smoke on it.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless.
Speed, I'm watching the stream while you try not to laugh, bro.
Yo, where's the emo?
早上还有中国，现在我有
I
冰淇
saw
淋
that.，
我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情就
Name something you like your girlfriend to do to your face.
I want to say sit on it.
Yes! Sit on it!
I'll whoop your ass. Your girlfriend look like my mom.
How can a girl stop by just saying yes? All right, I'm getting. Kanye's manager sent me some shit. Let's see. Wait, hold
I
on.
saw
What?
this. I didn't see this.
One time I bet on the Chiefs.
Do it.
Where's our help at?
Shit, please. For the love of God.
You're cooked on? I know.
Bro, my boy told me.
Yo,
my boy.
to be fair, I took a 6-month break on social media before, or last year. 4-month break. 4-month break. So I did a lot of catching up, but I'm caught up to date now.
Discord, he told me.
I'm not gonna lie, when you take a 4-month break on social media and you come back to it, hold this volume here. When you take a 4-month break and you come back to it, you feel like you are so behind. It feels so weird.
What happened? What happened? We're behind. What happened? Wait, what? They got another touchdown. Who? No!
That's not this. Yes.
You are beautiful. Thank you. Love your hair, bro. Thank you so much, broski. Appreciate you, my heart. Yo, Speed, I heard you've been doing face care now. Your face is looking amazing. I love the way how your face looks. Oh, thank you, Felicia. Appreciate that. Hey. Yo, Cobb, notice that your head is above your chair. Are we getting taller? I've been noticing your height hasn't increased. Oh, thank you so much, Bob. Appreciate you, bro.
Damn, Don, I really like your pause of RR. You're such a great chair. Thank you, man. Thank you, Dev. I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that, honestly. Much love to you. Much love to you. Your price actually seems to be getting better and better each day. Thank you, man. Thank you. Honestly, I've been working on it each day, you know, just trying to get better day by day. Trying to get better day by day. Don, you look so good today. Thank you, Richie. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Thank you, man. Thank you. You know what? From now on, let's not start doing that. Yeah, we're done here, right, chat? 11 minutes till 11 a.m. I don't know about there. It's a little late here, but I might as well wait for it now. This is the third time you're tapping the highs here. Who knows? Maybe you have a cinematic day today. Stop yapping and play games. I saw this.
Look to your left. You think you could beat him in a fight?
My boy here?
No, Mike Tyson.
Oh. I was like, what? No,
What's up, Mike?
I do not think so.
I saw that. These type of videos, man. If these videos, can you watch it? We didn't see it. Yo, if these videos lie on your feed, you know you're cooked. Like the sped up ones is like extra ADHD. I gotta come back to the charts or chat. Hold on, lock it in real quick. Oh man, we are breaking the highs here. Yo, Angry Korea Bear, you ready? Are you ready to rumble?
What the fuck? It's fucking me. I'm so far. Copy. Fucking regular.
What the fuck am I watching, bro?
Are you kidding me?
Now the fact that he's recording this video, grown ass man.
Yes, man.
I like that video. I'm leaving liking that one. The chat for real. Lock it in, man. Lock it in. Yeah, 7 minutes left until a closure, man. Penzel.
I think his day was ruined. I think his day was ruined.
That's crazy. Wait, was that a hockey game? Well, that was leaving. Okay, chat for real. No more shorts. Get off. Actual speed works at McDonald's.
Okay, what do you want? We have a lot of options for you to choose from. So just say some.
Fries.
Oh my god. No, speed
please don't
run.
shoot me.
Just put the fries in the back.
Gotta log off YouTube, man. Gotta log off YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah. And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. From the shot, like tennis or harder way. Before you ask me to go with the job. Nothing's ever promised tomorrow today.
PEPSI. It's the cola.
PEPSI. How's that spelled? It's the cola. Why are you doing ads for a vegetable? Yo, 5 more minutes, chat. 5 more minutes. We'll get some volume soon. Did you fix the Elgato? No, I didn't fix the Elgato yet. Ooh. What's the science behind price action? Well, you know, price actions come a long way, man. You know, like since like the 1987. 1987, I think, was around the time when they came with the Japanese candlesticks. And basically, it was a Japanese trader. He brought it into the mix. And yeah, it's been here ever since then. You know what's actual science though? The Fibonacci. The Fibonacci. #1 indicator of traders. Oh man, you're pushing. Are we really gonna go up here? Oh, nope, not in position, chat. Don't worry. That was an accident. I don't know. Here's the thing, chat. If we do get positions, I don't want to take positions here. I'd rather take like a 29-17 entry or something here. That'd be a lot better. More ideal. Why did your asses pick that? Why'd your asses pick that blue or pink thing in your hand last year? This, right? These two? Cause what was the reason for that? I think it was like something to do with what I was dropping next. I was talking to Reza and we were like debating like should we do this or that, and then he's like, yo, just run a poll. So I just picked these two things. And everyone thought that I was having a baby. Everyone was like, yo, what do you mean you're picking if you're gonna have a boy or a girl? To be honest though, I could snipe the entry. You could snipe if you want to have a boy or a girl. There's a certain way you gotta do it though, you know? I'm gonna save that for another course. Certain angle. I'm gonna save that for another day though. Yeah, calm for sure. One minute. Girl. Unbold today? Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. I don't know. This closer's a little sketch. I think if you come down for a bottom, we can look for wick entries up, but taking bias here could be a little tough. This could still come down. Yeah, I'm a little unsure here. And it's 11. So yeah, I'm done for the day. The structure coming up wasn't the nicest structure here. Like from these areas up. If you have bottom wick towards 29.13 earlier, then yeah, I'll be interested in this move because very high chance. But you didn't come down for that bottom wick at 29.13. You know what I mean? So it gets a little rocky here. Yeah, I'm out. I'm done. I'll take my day. Pretty good day though. We started off -7%, and now we're up we're negative 2.45%. I think for the year, or not for the year, for the month for the account, we're still up 3-point-something% chat. So yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. We're up 3.6%, I think. So it's not bad for that account. On to the next day though, tomorrow. We cut loss today though.
Yeah, chat. Guys, you want to see what it looks like to be a real Chad?
33 months. Can I get a welcome to the jungle, Mr.
Yo,
Cow?
do I have text-to-speech chat? I swear I have donations. I don't know about text-to-speech though.
LOL. 30 like you soon.
Honestly, you can't say shit, man. This guy's worth $100 million.
Yo.
That's crazy, bro. I used to be that skinny though. I used to be that skinny. Alright. Outer ring? Outer ring chat? Zoom, I'll see y'all. Take it easy, Zoom. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is retail sales. Yes, Elden Ring. I'm done today, chat. I'm done for the day. Battery. I mean, I used to be like 130 pounds. I'm like 155, 160 now. I'm actually getting kind of fat. Oh shit, YouTube's still on. Hey, YouTube. I got a vlog dropping for you guys tomorrow. But I'm gonna see you guys on Twitch here, okay? Peace out, YouTube.